Hey guys, welcome to PC Malt's channel. I am John Patrick Siwong, and it's been a while since we've unboxed some hardware goodies. So today we will be unboxing a package here straight from Bermor Techzone. And bali, this package contains a processor. It's an AMD Ryzen processor. And of course, special thanks to user Tom Bermor for helping me find this model and for giving me a good deal on this one. And of course, Ma'am Lady Lee, Ma'am Precious, and Sir Kim, maraming salamat din sa pag-process ng order na to. Napakabilis, parang 3 days, 4 days lang ata. Nandito na sa Baguio City kagad. Straight from Ilocos Norte pa to. So, as we all know, AMD 3rd generation Ryzen processors, nilabas yan lately. And since nilabas tong model na to, gustong gusto ko na talagang ma-experience itong processor na to first hand. Kaso dahil sa kakulangan ng budget, hanggang Ryzen 5 2600 lang ang kaya ko. Pero ngayon nasa akin na, napaka-overwhelming. So start ko nang buksan to para mapakita sa inyo. And ito na siya. It's a Ryzen 3rd generation Threadripper. Hindi ka de, joke lang. It's a 1st generation Ryzen Threadripper. This is a 1900X 8 core 16 threads. It's a old processor na bago para sa akin dahil after 3 years, ayan, na-afford ko na rin siya. Salamat sa paglabas ng 3rd gen, nagmura na siya. Pero napakahirap na niyang hanapin. Kaya ayan, salamat sa tulong ni Sir Tom. Nakahanap tayo ng AMD Ryzen Threadripper na 1st generation. So this will be used on my project soon. So stay tuned lang kayo. I will be uploading more updates soon. So buksan na natin tong processor na to and tignan natin kung anong laman sa loob.